man.
Yes people, what you're saying, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we've got this 400 brek Cupra. So I'm with the owner now, Joey. We're gonna have a go out in this today, get some cinematics of it and that, get some driving in it. But this thing's a front wheel drive, so it's an animal. 400 brek front wheel drive, absolute animal. So it's running about 380 brake horsepower, so we'll say 400-ish by Artec tuning, is it? Yeah. Artec tuning. Right, so I'm just going to tell you the spec of the Cupra because obviously I don't know the spec of it. I'm just going to read off this list. So it's 380 brake horsepower, Artec stage 2. It's got RS4 FPRV fuel pump, Cobra 3-inch system, decat downpipe, Artec PZV delete, induction kit, ram air filter. It's got spacers all round, Helix stage 2 clutch and an LUK dual mass. I'll put all the spec list in the description below. So Brad's got some stage 2 Nike sliders on. These are his proper sick driving shoes for today. So Brad, you're designated driver today. So you're going to be on camera, so you can't be hiding. You're going to be driving this 400 bhp Cupra beast. Who's this gangster pulling up? Oh shit, bro! Fresh fade and that. What's this new whip?
Audi and that.
All the boys are turning up now. But yeah, let's get out in this Cupra anyway and see what it's made of. We're out. Here we go. So I've got the GoPro on my head. Get some good footage from that. And I'm also recording with front cam because I've got no phone holder. None of us have got a phone holder. We've come equipped today, boys. I feel like I'm at VXR days, me in this. Sounds nice as well, innit? What you saying, Jermaine?
Yeah, sounds
what you
sick.
saying? Tell them.
Sounds sick, bro. That sounds sick. Sounds sick.
We're out in the Cupra, 380 brek, Artec tuned. Come on.
Tesla Rogue One, bro.
Brad's about to smoke this Tesla. Fuck off! We're on it here, boys. Yeah, man. Yes. This thing's sick. See ya! Driver Brad giving out gaps. Come on. If you know where this place is, you know where this place is. Some nice roads around here and that. This thing's fast though. Can't lie. Fastest in it, bro. Eh?
Well, mate,
Joey, man. I bet, does it feel faster when you sat in back there?
Right,
Don't feel safe.
Don't feel safe. This thing's fast. Woo!
That's what we're getting gapped.
Go on! Got S4 on it here. Jesus.
S4's on it.
S4's on it. Woo! Peugeot's on it as well. Hey! All the boys. It's normal. Right, we're going to do a little POV. I'm not going to absolutely hammer it or all like that. Here we are, just going to do a little POV. Never drove this car, so obviously if I look terrible driving it, yeah, just blame Jermaine, innit? Don't know why, just blame him, but fuck me up.
You need to lower down, you know.
Woo! Jeez, clutches.
Let's see this shift then, bro.
Nah, bro, these shifts are not no DMO shifts, bro, I tell you now.
Like Reese is behind the wheel now, yeah. See what he's got. Come on, bro. Chase that bike up, bro. Go on. What's it like to drive though?
Yeah, it feels good. Feels like VXR days, does this?
Yeah, he's got a short shift, so
It's got short shift, yo, you can feel them like just getting used to it, innit? Because obviously I'm an automatic boy now.
You know what I mean? DSG,
Ain't no manual driver no more.
No quick shifts.
And it's not my car, so I don't want to wreck it either.
Here we go. Don't run her over. Please, go.
These civilians
Like you got that. In the middle, go on. Yeah, yeah.
These civilians will be getting gapped, bro.
Gap that. In the middle, go on. Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, this
Yeah, man, it feels good, does this? I can't lie, bro. This is a fast car.
days.
Like, it's bringing me VXR days. Is this? Do you know what I mean? These manual cars are no joke when they're running power like this. Do
Proper shifting.
you know what I'm saying?
That's what it's
Like,
about.
obviously, I've never drove this car before in my life.
In it, Joey, lad.
And I've
Proper
never drove
shifting.
a car with a short shifter either.
Jeez.
And clutch is like, fuck me.
Told you it's hard to drive.
Yeah, it is.
This is why people say shifting is fun, man.
Do you know, it is fun.
know what I
Like, it
mean?
is fun. Because you actually have to drive the car.
Exactly.
Do you know what I mean? When you DSG, you don't have to really drive, you just have to steer in it and hope for best. This thing, yeah. DPD, see you later!
Yeah, mate.
Yes.
Scary, boy.
Come
yeah.
on! This thing's naughty, I can't lie. Come on, Joey, you got a good car here. Got a good car. DPD, see you later! Woo!
Decent brakes.
Yeah, brakes are better on this than the LMS3, not even lying. Nasty motor! That is a tricky motor. That is a fast car, can't lie. It's nice to be in a manual car again. Hopefully we've got some good footage on the GoPro and that. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, man. That thing's sick. I have raced this in my car, but we don't need to talk about that, do we, Joey?
Wet on it.
It will wet, yeah. But not gonna lie, these brakes feel better than the ones on that. Not even gonna lie, look at the state of it.
Same brake.
But yeah, man. Right, thanks Joey for letting us use your car and that today, yeah, respect. Sick. See you soon, bro.